In this video, I'll be upgrading an older database to AccuTrack version 2015. Now, I've just opened AccuTrack for the first time here, and it's going to be pointing to its tutoring sample database in its own local drive on the public I folder here. Okay, but what I'm going to do is go out to my network and just substitute this for your network path to where your older database resides. Okay, and you may have some other folders and files, but these are the two I care about. The database called AccuData and the associated data dictionary. Every database will have a data dictionary folder associated with it. Okay, but I'm going to go into my database here, and there's a file called dataversion.inf. Okay, I'm going to open that with Notepad, and in this it shows the version of the database, which is 12.0.4 in this case. Okay, and then I have an associated data dictionary that also has a data version, and that is also 12.0.4. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go to my folder where AccuTrack 2015 is installed, C Program Files or Program Files x86 Accu 2015, and in this folder I have a data DIC folder. Okay, and that is right here. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my network drive, and delete my 1204 data dictionary, and paste my new one in. Okay, and if we look at the version of this newer data dictionary, it will say 14.0.0. Okay, so now I have a 12.0.4 database and a 14.0.0 data dictionary. That's how the system knows that it needs to upgrade the database, is it has a newer data dictionary. Okay, so now what I can do, let's go ahead and steal that path to where my Accu files, or excuse me, my AccuData database is. I'll just copy that and then go back here into AccuTrack and pick database location and paste in my new data path and save. And it says for changes to take effect, I must exit, so I'm going to go ahead and exit completely. Okay, and now I'm going to open AccuTrack again, and when I do so, it will say that it needs to upgrade the database. Okay, so it says upgrading from 12.0.4 to 14.0.0. I'll go ahead and do that. And I need to only do this once per database. And it's going to copy some temporary folders and files and do the update. Just take a second here. Now, while we're waiting, I would also like to mention, although I recommend installing AccuTrack 2015 on all the clients, you can use AccuTrack 2014 with a converted 2015 database. What you can't do is go the other way. So what I mean by that is I can't point AccuTrack 2015 to an older, non-updated database because it's looking for new tables and fields in that database that it won't find. So if you want to use 2015, you need to have the database updated to 2015. I now close, and now it will open my newly converted database. And I can tell it has the old 12 background, so that was definitely a converted database. And I log in, and now I'm in AccuTrack 2015 with my newly converted database out on my network. Okay, now I can go back and verify that by going to look at the database now. And remember, it said 12.0.4, but now that the update is complete, it's now 14.0.0. So that database is ready. Now I can install 2015 on the various clients, point it out to that database folder, and my work is done. Okay, thank you.